In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at Quire, a popular task management platform that's designed to help teams collaborate more efficiently. Quire offers a clean, easy-to-use interface that allows users to break down projects into tasks and subtasks, organize them in different views, like lists or boards, and even track project progress. The platform is designed for both small teams and large organizations, with features that scale as your team grows. When you first log into Quire, you'll be greeted with a dashboard that displays all your projects. You can easily create a new project by clicking on the Create New Project button. Once you set up your project, you can start adding tasks and subtasks, which you can then assign to team members. You'll notice right away that the interface is simple and clean, making it easy to focus on the task at hand without being overwhelmed by complex features. Quire also allows for a variety of ways to view your tasks, including list view, board view, and calendar view. This gives you the flexibility to organize your tasks in the way that works best for your team. For example, if you prefer a more visual approach, the board view might be ideal for you. On the other hand, if you want a more traditional list format, the list view can help you keep everything organized in a linear manner. Another standout feature of Quire is its real-time collaboration tools. You can easily assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and even leave comments directly within tasks to keep everyone on the same page. Quire also integrates with other popular apps like Slack and Google Drive, so you can bring all your tools together in one place. One of the most unique aspects of Quire is its nested tasks feature. This allows you to create a task hierarchy, which is useful for large projects with many moving parts. Nested tasks help break down complex projects into manageable chunks, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Quire's reporting and tracking tools are also quite useful. You can monitor your team's progress with visual reports that give you insights into how many tasks are completed, how many are pending, and overall project status. This can be incredibly helpful for managers who need to keep tabs on multiple projects at once. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Make sure to check them out after watching the video. Now, let's talk about the pricing. Quire offers a free plan that includes most of the essential features, which is a great option for small teams or personal use. For larger teams or those needing more advanced features, there are paid plans available that offer more storage, customizations, and priority support. To wrap up, Quire is an excellent tool for teams looking to stay organized and improve productivity. It combines simplicity with powerful features that can help streamline project management and collaboration. If you're considering Quire for your team, I highly recommend giving it a try. Don't forget to like this video if you found the review helpful, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tips on productivity tools. Thanks for watching.